YouTube family, it's your girl Raquel, and I'm back, y'all, with another video. Y'all, it's a whole wig. This video gonna be real short. Ain't no use in taking time. Y'all can just flip right on through it real quick, even though I did talk a little bit too much. But anyway, this is gonna be Outre Wigpop. It looks like Tinaye, Tinaye, could be Tinaye. But this is this girl, y'all. She is cute. She is cute. Once I can fix this flip, I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna be good. Okay, y'all, if y'all want to see the specs, the ins and out of Miss Tinaye, keep on watching. It's coming right up. I don't know what else I'm gonna say. Okay, guys, this is how the unit comes. Packaged. Y'all, I got this whole wig because it can't be nothing better than just popping on a wig, you know, and keeping it moving. So, thank you, Sam's Beauty, for sending this baby over. I picked her out and said, you know what? She gonna be perfect on that day when I just say, want to go to the ice machine in the hotel and I want to be cute going. I just pop this on and just for a quick get it and go, because today I'm gonna rock her, y'all. I'm going to get my eyebrows microbladed. I have canceled and made appointment, so today I'm gonna do it, which is why I have on almost no makeup. But I can't go out the door without no makeup. You know, I wouldn't do people like that. I just would. But anyway, oh, this is cute. I thought the color would be nice, and just that it's a whole wig, and I like the cut too. There is no lace at all to cut. Now, these last Wigpop units by Outre I've tried, I really, really like. So, this is what this girl looks like. 2 combs in the top. Where's the other comb? Yeah, 2 combs in the top and 1 in the back. This is a real quick, easy video, and it's good because I got to get out the door. I'm supposed to be there in 45 minutes, so I don't know how far the drive is. But anyway, quit talking. Let's put this on. Oh, trying to get it to fit around that wig grip. Okay. Oh, this is cute. I was thinking it's gonna look too wiggy, but nah, this looks good. I need to put some concealer on this part. And you know what? I could pluck that part as well and widen it up some, because it's real boxy. But y'all know I ain't finna do that right now. I don't like making these. Y'all, look what I found. Or check out this wig video alone. It's just like, y'all, look here. And if she need any fixing and she don't look cute on me, y'all know she not for you. Especially if you don't like fooling with wigs or putting in a lot of work. Because if you're going to put in the work, you might as well do your own hair. That's just, unless, you know, I'm not like that. If I got to put in that work, I might well go straighten my hair. And I like the way it's set up, but that part is cute. But that part needs some plucking. It's really tight. Trying to see if I can find my concealer because the powder ain't doing it. I'm trying to use the powder to open it up, but it's gonna need plucking or either some concealer. Just a little bit tight, and that's not a lot to do. I'm just lazy, don't like to do a lot to no hair, no wigs anyway. Yeah, give me some slack. I did hair for 10 years, so I started my career. I don't care for it now at all. Okay, y'all, let's see. What we looking like? Yeah, that's a lot better. I couldn't find my concealer, so I just kept going with the powder. See how I just opened it up some? Made it look a little bit more realistic. This is cute though. I could get rid of this little flip, which I'm hoping will fall. This color is different. Matched my little dress. Let me turn around so y'all can see the back. This is cute. I like it. I like it. It's comfortable. Easy to pop on and go. I just don't like this little flip, but we know that's gonna wear down, right? Okay, Miss Wigpop from Outre, I like you. You got me right in a little bit, y'all. Ooh, that part though. You see it? That's nice. It need plucking though. It need plucking. Okay, guys, this is Miss Tinaye. Tinaye. I don't know. Y'all know I can't say no names. And it's from Outre. And I hope you're having a blessed Saturday. And I will see you guys, y'all. I'm going to eat too, the saltgrass. So I'm really rushing. So let me know what y'all think about it. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all stay blessed. Bye, guys.